On the Job is a 2013 movie who was directed by Eric Matley. And ang mga karakter sa movie na to is sina Joel Torre as Mario Maghari, Gerald Anderson as Daniel, Piolo Pascual as Francis Colonel Jr., and Joey Marquez as Joaquin Acosta. The plot of this movie is the juvenile person who was contacted by a politicians to work for them as a contract killer, and a police officer and or law enforcer and a investigator who happens to meet them while doing their job. This was inspired by a real life scandal where a juvenile person or prisoner was temporarily released to work for politicians and high-ranking military officials as a contract killer. And I rate this movie 9 because the storyline is very unique and also ang ganda ng pagkaka-cast ng mga character.